Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best bicycle repair tools kits that every cyclist should consider for those unexpected roadside fixes. Whether you're a casual rider or a cycling enthusiast, having the right tools on hand is crucial. So let's break down the top picks, starting off our list at number 5. We have the Riderace Bicycle Repair Tools Kit. For cyclists, having a reliable repair tool kit on hand can be the difference between continuing a smooth ride or being stranded. The Riderace Bicycle Repair Tools Kit is designed to be that compact, versatile tool that can handle various maintenance tasks during cycling. With 16 multifunctional tools packed into one small device, it's marketed as a solution for handling unexpected repairs and adjustments with ease. Below is a detailed breakdown of its features, along with its pros and cons. Pros. 16-in-1 multifunctionality. The Riderace kit includes a combination of 16 essential tools that can be freely switched to address different repair needs. This makes it a versatile kit for on-the-go repairs, allowing riders to handle tasks such as tightening screws, adjusting brakes, or fixing a chain without needing a separate tool for each job. Compact and portable design. One of the standout features of the Riderace tool kit is its small and compact design. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and fits neatly into a bike pouch or backpack. For cyclists who like to travel light, this kit provides a lot of utility without taking up much space. High-precision hexagonal socket screws. The high-precision hexagonal socket screws offer a firm, non-slip grip that makes it easier to handle during repairs. This feature also helps minimize the risk of damaging screws during tightening or loosening, a common problem with lower-quality toolkits. Adjustable wrench tension. The Riderace kit allows users to individually open and adjust the tension of the wrench. This adjustable tension feature ensures that you can maintain control when working on different parts of the bike, offering more precision and flexibility when handling various nuts and bolts. Cons. Limited to basic repairs. While the kit is versatile, its functionality is limited to basic and minor repairs. For more complex mechanical issues such as a broken derailleur or a significant wheel adjustment, this toolkit may not have the specialized tools required. Riders dealing with more advanced repairs might need to carry additional tools. The Riderace Bicycle Repair Tools Kit is a handy and compact solution for cyclists who need a reliable set of tools for basic bike maintenance on the go. Its 16-in-1 multifunctionality, small size, and high-precision hexagonal screws make it ideal for dealing with common issues that arise during rides. Coming in at number 4, the Telehill Bicycle Repair Tools Kit. The Telehill Bicycle Repair Tools Kit is designed for cyclists who want a reliable and portable solution for quick repairs while on the road. Made from high-quality materials like CRV steel, this repair kit aims to provide durability, rust resistance, and ease of use. The foldable design and lightweight aluminum alloy shell make it easy to carry, making it ideal for both casual riders and cycling enthusiasts. In this article, we will break down the pros and cons of the Telehill Bicycle Repair Tools Kit to help you decide if it's a worthwhile addition to your cycling gear. Pros. Durable and high-quality materials. The tools in the Telehill kit are made from CRV steel, a material known for its strength, durability, and resistance to wear and tear. The heat treatment process ensures that the tools are tough enough to handle high torque and resist deformation under heavy pressure, making the kit suitable for a variety of repairs. Rust and wear resistance. The iron plate surface of the tools is treated for enhanced rust and wear resistance, making the kit reliable in various weather conditions. Cyclists who often ride in wet or humid environments will appreciate the longevity this adds to the tools. The surface treatment also gives the tools a sleek, polished look, contributing to their overall aesthetic appeal. Lightweight and portable design. The kit's aluminum alloy shell makes it lightweight and easy to carry without sacrificing durability. The rust-preventive nature of the aluminum ensures that the kit stays in good condition, even if exposed to moisture. Whether you're a long-distance cyclist or just out for a quick ride, the portability of this kit ensures you're always prepared for unexpected repairs. Cons. Limited tool selection. The Telehill Bicycle Repair Tools Kit may not include a wide range of tools, which could limit its usefulness for more complex repairs. Cyclists who regularly perform in-depth maintenance on their bikes may find the kit lacking certain specialized tools, making it better suited for basic, on-the-go fixes rather than comprehensive repairs. A reliable basic toolkit for cyclists. The Telehill Bicycle Repair Tools Kit is a solid choice for cyclists looking for a basic, durable, and portable solution for on-the-go repairs. Its high-quality materials and rust-resistant design make it suitable for a variety of conditions, while the lightweight aluminum shell and foldable wrench enhance portability. At number 3, we have the Libraton Bicycle Repair Tools Kit. For cyclists, Having a reliable and portable toolkit is crucial when facing unexpected mechanical issues during rides. The Libraton Bicycle Repair Tools Kit aims to offer just that, combining essential tools in a compact, easy-to-carry design. With its 8-in-1 folding Allen wrench set and tamper-proof Torx key set, it promises versatility and performance for various repair tasks. Below is a detailed breakdown of its key features, along with the pros and cons to help you decide if this kit meets your cycling maintenance needs. Pros. 8-in-1 folding Allen wrench set. The kit comes equipped with 8 different sizes of Allen keys, making it highly versatile for various repair tasks. This comprehensive range allows cyclists to tighten or loosen most common bolts on a bike, from adjusting seat posts to fixing brakes. Tamper-proof Torx key set. The inclusion of tamper-proof Torx keys is a standout feature, adding an extra layer of security. These keys ensure that the tools won't be easily tampered with, making the set more secure and durable for long-term use, especially in high-wear situations. Portable and compact design. Portability is a major selling point for the Libraton kit. Its collapsible, lightweight design ensures that it fits neatly into a bike bag, pocket, or backpack, making it perfect for cyclists on the go. You won't have to worry about lugging around a bulky toolkit, as this one is built for easy transport. Non-slip feature for better grip. The non-slip feature on the Allen keys is another practical advantage, especially when performing repairs in wet or slippery conditions. It provides a better grip, reducing the chance of slippage and making it easier to apply force when tightening or loosening bolts. Cons. Not ideal for heavy-duty repairs. The compact design, while convenient, is not ideal for heavy-duty repairs. Tasks that require significant torque or force might be challenging due to the size and leverage limitations of the folding design. If you're dealing with a particularly stuck bolt, the ergonomic handle might not provide enough power for resolution. The Libraton Bicycle Repair Tools Kit is a practical and portable option for cyclists seeking a versatile toolset for on-the-go repairs. Its 8-in-1 folding Allen wrench set, tamper-proof Torx key set, and ergonomic handle make it a solid choice for handling most basic repair tasks. The kit's compact design, non-slip features, and durable materials also add to its appeal for cyclists who prioritize portability and ease of use. Next up at number 2 is the West Biking Bicycle Repair Tools Kit. The West Biking Bicycle Repair Tools Kit is a versatile, lightweight toolset designed for cycling enthusiasts who need reliable gear for regular maintenance and emergency repairs. This compact, 8-piece folding hex key set offers essential tools while maintaining portability and convenience. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a chromium-plated surface, this kit is durable, corrosion-resistant, and stylish. With 2 suspension methods for easy storage and a sleek, colorful design, it aims to appeal to cyclists looking for both functionality and aesthetics. Pros. High-quality stainless steel construction. The West Biking Repair Kit is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is known for its strength and resistance to rust and corrosion. This ensures that the tools are durable and can withstand regular use, even in harsh conditions. The chromium plating further enhances its ability to resist wear and tear, making it a long-lasting option for cyclists. Versatile suspension options. The kit offers 2 suspension methods. It can be hung on a wall using either a button or a tag. This feature makes it easy to store the tools in your home, garage, or workshop without taking up too much space. The convenience of having it readily accessible when needed is a nice bonus for regular maintenance work. Stylish and sleek design. Unlike many repair tool kits that prioritize functionality over appearance, the West Biking Kit is designed with stylish colors and sophisticated shapes. Its sleek appearance appeals to cyclists who appreciate a more visually pleasing design without compromising on performance. The modern look sets it apart from standard utilitarian toolkits. Cons. Limited tool range. While the 8-piece hex key set is sufficient for basic bicycle maintenance, the kit lacks some of the more specialized tools that cyclists may need for complex repairs. For example, it does not include items like tire levers, a chain breaker, or a multi-tool with wrenches and screwdrivers. Cyclists who need a more comprehensive toolkit may find this set too limited for their needs. A handy toolkit for basic bicycle repairs. The West Biking Bicycle Repair Tools Kit is an excellent choice for cyclists who want a compact, portable solution for everyday maintenance and emergency repairs. Its high-quality stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to carry on rides. The suspension methods for easy storage and the stylish design add to its appeal. Finally, at number 1, we have the Rockbros Bicycle Repair Tools Kit. The Rockbros Bicycle Repair Tools Kit is a versatile and compact option designed to meet the essential repair needs of cyclists. With its ergonomic design, wide tool compatibility, and durable construction, this 16-in-1 multifunction kit aims to provide riders with a reliable, portable toolset for quick fixes on the road. Below is a detailed look at the kit's features, as well as the pros and cons to help you determine if this is the right choice for your cycling adventures. Pros: ergonomic and easy-to-use design. One of the standout features of the Rockbros repair kit is its ergonomic design. The tools are crafted with user comfort in mind, featuring grips that allow for easy handling even during extended use. This makes the kit intuitive to use, allowing you to quickly access the right tool without struggling. 16-in-1 multifunction tool set. The Rockbros kit offers a comprehensive solution with 16 different tools in one compact set. From hex keys to chain tools, this kit covers a wide range of repair tasks, including tightening bolts, adjusting seat posts, and fixing chains. This multifunctionality makes it an all-in-one tool for cyclists looking to handle basic maintenance without needing additional equipment. Portable and lightweight design. Weighing only 205 g, the Rockbros tool kit is extremely portable. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry in a backpack, bike bag, or even a pocket, ensuring that you are always prepared for any mechanical issues during your ride. This makes it perfect for long-distance riders who need a repair solution that won't add extra weight to their journey. Cons: grip durability over time. While the ergonomic grips are designed for comfort, there's potential for wear and tear over time, especially with frequent use or exposure to harsh weather conditions. This could lead to reduced grip efficiency and make it harder to handle the tools comfortably in the long run. The Rockbros Bicycle Repair Tools Kit is an excellent choice for cyclists seeking a compact and versatile toolset for basic repairs on the go. With its ergonomic design, compatibility with different chain sizes, and durable CRMO steel construction, it covers most essential maintenance tasks with ease. The portability and lightweight nature of the kit make it particularly attractive for long rides, ensuring that you're always prepared without being weighed down.